invade Illinois and bring along a big gun named Bobby Jack Stewart, who packs plenty of ammunition. He's off like a bullet for a 55-yard gain before Illinois trips him. More bombing for the Cadets, and this time Winfield Scott gets going on the longest run of the afternoon. With goal in sight, Pierce nudges him out. Illinois is fighting mad. With the score 26-0 against them, Tom Stewart passes to Schmidt. Trouble ahead for the Army. Ganoy kicks. And under it is that fleet-footed fellow named Pierce, and he pierces through the West Pointers for plenty of yardage. Trailing by 2 touchdowns, Illinois calls on Kruger. His long heave is taken on the run by Kersoulis, and that's the end of the game. Things happen fast in Athens when Rogers' pass is hauled in by Marisic of Georgia. The fleet-footed halfback pounds the turf for more than 75 yards to a touchdown. With Georgia ahead in the third period, Charlie Justice steps in the picture. He passes to Powell to set up the first Tar Heel touchdown. Now Justice, whose gridiron name is Choo-Choo, steams through center for his second touchdown, but not his last. Gary of the Bulldogs kicks. And under it is the Asheville Flash. He streamlines it for the thrill play of the afternoon. That's Justice for you. It's a scoreless tie with only 15 minutes to go when the Gophers come to life and send halfback Everett Fonts down the field on a 68-yard dash that leaves the spectators limp. It's Fonts again, this time passing to Bud Grant. Good for 17 yards. With time running out, Hatch of Washington heaves an aerial. It soars high. Dale Warner of Minnesota's waiting and intercepts. With only a few plays remaining, Dick Lawrence lets go a heave of 40 yards into the arms of Dick Anderson, and the Gophers win 20-0. Midshipmen meet the Irish, and there's plenty of action as Notre Dame Sitco tears down the field in a 60-yard run. Later, with the middies in possession, Bob Horn aerials. But the Irish intercept, and it's more gloom for the Navy. There goes that Sitco again. He sparks the Notre Dame attacks and reels off 45 yards before the Navy surround him. Navy fights all the way but runs into stormy seas when Taylor intercepts Basinger's aerial. Taylor turns on the speed and beats it back 50 yards with some nice blocking by his teammate. Near the end of the game, Frank Spaniel dogs his way goalward, and Notre Dame wins 41-7. Over 68,000 fans crowd Memorial Stadium and cheer themselves hoarse as dazzling Doak Walker totes the ball past the field of Texas Longhorns to chalk up the Mustangs' first touchdown. The Longhorns stage a short but sharp stampede as Capel sets up his team's first and only tally with a big chunk of yardage. Borneman scores deep in the heart of Texas rooters. Texas says never say die as a Mustang pass is intercepted by Pyle, and for a time it looks as if the Longhorns might turn the tide. But fate steps in. Texas fumbles, and Southern Methodist recovers. Now Roberts swings into action for Southern Methodist. The finale comes as Walker passes to Blakely, and Southern Methodist wins 21-6. The Wildcats are up to scratch as Murakowski hits the line for plenty of yardage. Here's a thriller. Quarterback Burson back for a pass. He's trapped. No, he's in the clear. And there it goes, an aerial first class, and a honey of a catch by Tunnicliffe. Buckeyes charge back with Prawl in the spotlight. With fine blocking by his teammates, Prawl keeps on going to the goal line. Now Johnny Miller scores his second touchdown, and the Wildcats win 21-7. When unbeaten gridiron greats clash head-on, something has got to give. Penn State starts the fireworks with a human dynamo named Rochelle forging his way through to the goal stripe. The Quakers come close to tying things up, but in the fourth quarter, the Nattani Lions go to town. Elwood Petchel, Penn State's one-man merry-go-round, gets the enemy all mixed up in a razzle-dazzle. Penn State's superior air attack tells. Tamburo carries this Petchel pass, and he almost gets away, but Bednarik stops him on the 13. Another pass, Petchel to Rogel, and it's a shutout victory for Penn State. There's action right from the start at Harvard Stadium as Moffey of the Crimson sets off the fireworks with an 80-yard run from scrimmage. Now Levi Jackson of Yale goes for first down, and the Elis are jubilant. Tex first, Eli Quarter uncorks the long one. Is taken by Satir, and a beautiful catch. It's 7-6 for Yale when Crimson takes over. Behind a wave of blockers, Charlie Roche goes for 36 yards, just short of the goal line. Moffey of Harvard tries to get through, but is hit hard. Tradition and excitement go hand in hand as Roche gets away and Harvard triumphs 20-7.